Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making Roots Platter. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. You're going to start off by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and then cutting up about 3 cups of kale. Then you're going to put that kale into a bowl and drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil on it and lightly massage it with your fingers. Also, add salt and pepper. And you just want to massage it until it starts to wilt, just like about a minute. Now, on a baking sheet, you're going to want to put a 1/3 cup of walnuts, and you're going to toast those for like 6 to 8 minutes until they're fragrant and toasted. Now, you're going to prep everything else. So you're going to want to start by just trimming the the leaves off of carrots, both orange and purple, but I only had orange. You want to leave like the whole carrot whole though. And then you're going to cut up 8 ounces of Tokyo turnips. You're going to scrub them and you're going to quarter them. You're going to peel and cut into 3/4 inch round or cubes of celery root, and do the same to 8 ounce of rutabaga. Now you transfer all those vegetables to a bowl, minus the cow, and mix it together with salt, pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil just until it's all coated. Then you set them on a warmed baking sheet in a 450-degree oven. Now, in a food processor, you're going to put a single clove of garlic, pulse it until it's mixed up. Then you're going to add the walnuts, kale, and a 1/4 cup of flat leaf parsley and salt and pepper. You're going to pulse it until it's combined. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, pulse until combined. And then you're going to, while running, pour in 6 tablespoons of olive oil just until it's like a smooth consistency. Then you're going to grab a tray and you're going to spread 2 or 3 large spoonfuls of the pesto onto the bottom. Then you're going to squeeze half a lemon onto that, pile on top of the vegetables, squeeze the other half of the lemon, and then you're going to dollop the pesto in just like the nooks and crannies of the vegetables. And finally, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top, and bada bing, bada boom, you got a pretty tasty meal now. This is pretty good. Some of the vegetables I really liked, some of them I didn't like as much. The pesto was very good. I would probably make this again. If I do, I would definitely need to cut the rutabaga up smaller. But yeah, probably like a 7 out of 10.